we're going to explain how to use the pivot functionality in PostgreSQL to transform your tables. PostgreSQL doesn't have a built-in pivot operator like some other database systems, but we can achieve the same result using a combination of aggregate functions and conditional aggregation. Let's illustrate this with an example. 1. The sample table. Imagine we have a table called sales with columns region, product, and sales amount. This table stores sales data categorized by region and product. For example, region A product, sales amount, North A 100, North bar B 150, South A 200, and South bar B 250, on East A 520, East B 182. The goal: we want to transform this table so that the product values become columns and the sales amount values populate the respective cells. The desired output would look like this. Region, product A or product B, North, 100, 150, South, 200, 250, East, 120, 180, 3. The SQL query. To achieve this pivot effect, we'll use the case statement within a summed and aggregate function, grouped by region. Here's the SQL query. SQL select region, sum, case when product, il A, then sales amount else, 0 end. As product A, sum, case when product, il B, then sales amount else, 0 end. As product B from sales group by region. This query works by sum, case when product, il A, then sales amount else, 0 end. This part sums the sales amount only when the product is A. If it's not A, it adds 0, preventing null values. This creates the product A column. The same logic applies to sum case when product eighth on B, then sales amount else 0 end, for creating the product B column. Group by region. This ensures that we get a separate row for each region. 4. Handling multiple products. If you have more products, you'll simply need to add more case statements to the select clause, one for each product. For instance, to include product C, you'd add sum case when product equals C, then sales amount else 0 end as product C. 5. Dynamic pivoting, advanced. For a truly dynamic pivot where you don't know the product names beforehand, you'd need to use more advanced techniques involving generating SQL dynamically, often using a procedural approach or a separate query to get the distinct product names, and then constructing the main query string. This is significantly more complex and beyond the scope of a simple explanation, but is achievable with PostgreSQL's powerful features. This approach avoids hard-coding product names in your SQL query. In summary, while PostgreSQL lacks a direct pivot operator, using conditional aggregation with case and sum provides a straightforward method for pivoting your tables, efficiently transforming your data for analysis. Remember to adapt the query by adding more case statements for each additional product you want to pivot.